We see here on GBP USD the signal given on 3rd of October 2019. Entry time frame was H1. The entry criteria were triggered a few days later. Let's go to daily and see how the take profit targets were given. Here is the daily time frame at that time when the signal was given. This is the entry level, take profit target 1, take profit target 2, and take profit target 3, and this is the stop loss level. And as we will see, on pairs chart, on daily again, the entry criteria were met a few days later. This is the entry level, and all 3 take profit targets were hit, and that happened in one day.